Good morning everyone, my name is Sophia and this is my video for a science project on ways to conserve energy. Number 1. Switch to energy efficient appliances. Use appliances with high energy ratings such as Energy Star certified products. Replace incandescent light bulbs with LED bulbs which use less energy and last longer. Number 2. Unplug devices when not in use. Devices like chargers, TVs, and computers consume energy even when turned off. Unplug them to save power. Number 3. Use programmable thermostats. Set your thermostat to automatically adjust temperatures when you're not home to reduce heating and cooling costs. Seal gaps and insulate your home. Proper insulation helps maintain temperature and reduce need for heating or cooling. Seal windows, doors, and other openings to minimize energy loss. Number 6. Use smart power strips. Smart power strips can turn off devices that are not in use, preventing phantom energy consumption. Number 7. Adjust water heating settings. Lower the temperature on your water heater to 120 Fahrenheit, 49 Celsius. 2. Reduce energy usage for heating water. Number 8. Wash clothes in cold water. Use cold water for washing clothes to reduce the energy used in heating water. Reduce air conditioning usage. Use air ceiling fans, open windows, or adjust shades to reduce the need for air conditioning. Opt for energy efficient windows. Insulate double pane or energy-efficient windows to improve insulation. By adopting these practices, you can significantly reduce energy consumption while also lowering your utility bills. Thank you for watching.